Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy crafts using different craft items. So for that you have to watch the video till the end and follow along. First take a paper cup like this. Now cut it as shown in the video. Cut it into frills. Now spread it. Now fold it one by one and fix them into each other as we are fixing in this video. Put them like this, decorate it if you want, and your hat is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, cut a plastic bottle like this. Now take red color papers and then cut it from the top like this. Now take a paper cup and fix them on the sides one by one. So here we are making a bouquet. First, we will fix the flowers like this. Make it out as shown in the video. Use double-sided tape to stick them. After it is done, pull it out like this. Now fix it over the plastic cup like this. Now take a tissue paper, frill it like this. Now fix it over the bottle and your bouquet is ready. I hope you liked it. First, take a paper cup, mark the lines on it and then cut it out using the scissors. Cut it into equal pieces like this. Now after that, fold it from the top as shown in the video. Now color it as per your choice. You can make any designs on it. Fix the earbuds in the between, put a straw on the back and it's ready. Next, for that you have to take a paper cup. Cut it from the sides like this. Now remove the excess part from the sides. Now write the numbers on it. After that we will decorate it. Make its hands, minute and second hands like this. Fix it properly. Now your watch is ready. Decorate it if you want and it's done. Take the paper cup like this. Now cut it as shown in the video. Make the hole on the back. Now put a straw like this. Fix it using a stapler. Now we will draw the eyes and nose of the frog like this. Put a mouth and it's ready. Next, take a paper cup like this. Now put the sellotape over it and make the frills on it. Now paste it carefully. Draw the lines on it and different cartoon or different kind of characters on it. Put it over the flashlight and your toy is ready. Next, take a paper cup and draw the shapes on it as shown. Now cut it out. So here we are making a fish using a paper cup. Color it like this using different colors. Make its eyes and your fish is ready. Next, take a paper cup like this and draw the line. Now cut it out. So here we are making a flower using a paper cup. Now remove its excess part. Now make the petals like this by cutting it. Now draw its eyes and mouth. Color it if you want and it's ready. Next, take a red color paper cup like this. You can take any color paper cup. Make a hole in the between and put the rubber band like this. Now fix the stick. Now tie it properly. Now make its fins like this. Now put the numbers, rotate it and it's ready. Next, take a paper cup like this, draw the lines on it and then cut it as shown in the video. After you are done with it, we will give it a shape from the bottom as we are giving. Now decorate it as per your choice. Make its eyes, mouth. Now we will make the spring using the paper. Fix it on the paper cup like this and put another one over it and it's ready. Next, take a paper cup and draw the bunny face on it like this. Put its ears. Now take a water bottle cap and fix them together. Now using a rubber band, fix it on the sides by cutting it like this. Fix it properly, roll it and your toy is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a paper cup like this and then cut it. So here we are making a table fan. Fix the rubber band and the stick together like this. Put the wings. Now we will take the numbers on it as shown and it's ready. Next, take a paper cup like this and press it. Now cut it from the sides. Now we will make the hole on it and put the thread like this. Join two paper cups together like this. So here we are making a dinosaur. Make its eyes, nose and it's ready. Next, take a paper cup like this and put the straw in the between. Now take the straw to make its stands like this. So here we are making a bicycle. Make its body and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.